I love talking to our customers and our strategic partners about empowering the workforce and how we can join you together in this journey to what we call at VMware the Anywhere Workspace. So today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about empowering the workforce, the hybrid workforce, what it is, what our customers are telling us are some of their IT challenges, how we're helping those customers solve for those challenges, and how we're helping them realize their business goals along with strategic partners. Hybrid work is here to stay. We should embrace having our workforce to be able to work from anywhere. Number one, because it's going to allow you to bring better services to your customers. Number two, because it's going to help you differentiate from your competition. And number three, and perhaps one of the most important ones, it's going to empower your end users to be more productive. In order to do that, our customers are telling us that they're facing some challenges. Three big challenges in specific. The very first one is operational complexity. In order to mobilize these workforces, organizations such as yourselves have to implement multiple technologies, multiple siloed solutions to manage the different aspects of the hybrid workforce or enterprise mobility. You have one solution to manage antivirus on the devices. You have another solution for virtualized desktops and applications. You have another solution specific to iOS devices. Another solution perhaps specific to ruggedized devices with perhaps solutions like SODI, right? That creates a lot of complexity on the IT side of managing and also limiting precious time that they can be spending in perhaps more innovative ways to better your business or your businesses. The second one is the suboptimal experience, right? I mean, and we got a first glimpse during the pandemic where organizations such as yourselves were forced to mobilize thousands of employees overnight. And what happened was that in order to gain access to those corporate resources, your VPN connections didn't have enough bandwidth. The mission-critical applications that they needed access to, they just weren't working properly. Some of your applications in your organizations perhaps were not modernized, or were still running in the data center. And then the third one is the fragmented security. We want to infringe more security layers at the endpoint side, or at the endpoint level. But what it does is it makes it more difficult for the user to utilize those corporate resources, to gain access to those corporate resources. So, how are we solving for some of those challenges? We have an integrated, a platform of integrated solutions, industry-leading solutions, starting with Unified Endpoint Management and Workspace ONE. We keep adding more stuff to it. Why? Because now the requirement of the end users is to gain access to any application, whether it's a web application, SaaS application, cloud application, legacy on-premise application across any device, whether it's a smartphone, whether it's a tablet, whether it's an IoT, whether it's a wearable, whether it's augmented reality, virtual reality, literally across any device.